Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Sunday again. We have a final unboxing to do today from Amazon Prime. You guys can check them out. Get one of these in no time. This is sure what's inside, but we're about to open it up and see what you guys can get. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. And let's see what this is. Alright. Oh boy. Here we go. There's a Wi-Fi endoscope for iPhone, iPad, Android devices. Wi-Fi compatibility. I got the good stuff. 10mm endoscope. Smaller camera. HD image. IP67. 6 LEDs. Wi-Fi connect. Alright, let's take a look. I got my other phone, so should be an easy hookup. There we go. Oh, alright, I'm gonna have to cut it like this. Right down the middle. There we go. We got it. Here we go. This is oh, this is pretty heavy. KZYEE. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. There's a little, like a mount. You could just mount them on, clip on something. USB charge. And it comes with the good old manual. I'm gonna need to scan the QR code probably. Let's see, where is QR? Alright, no, I'm just gonna have to go search the free HD Wi-Fi app, Apple Store or Google Play. So that's what it's called. All I gotta do is search HD Wi-Fi. I got an Android device, so we'll check that out right now. There we go. It's called HD Wi-Fi. Alright, there it is, right on top. This one I do believe. Yep, it matches up. So it's first one, the Shizen. Install. Is that eyeball? Not sure what that is, but interesting. That was quick install. Okay. Allow. Have to go through all these steps. Okay. Wi-Fi. Alright, let me turn this on now, since I got that part set up. So there's that cable, connector, USB to charge it, off, on. Oh, we probably don't need a whole mount. I'll just do like half of it. Okay, we'll switch, off, on. Whoa. Look at that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So you can take it down to your sinks, your bathtub, toilets, in case you get some clogged drains. Pretty much anywhere. For your cars, automotive, you could use it. Alright, so that's where you connect the Bluetooth, or is it the light? Off and on light. Oh, there's different modes. You guys can see it changing. There you go. Okay, now how do we... I gotta run the app. I'll be right back. Oh, make sure you press that light button right there. Hold it for a couple seconds. It'll start blinking. You can see it right there. Then it's going to come up onto your Bluetooth under that one, I believe. Let's see. All right. When connection is done, blue light will flick. Okay. Make sure. Alright. It tells you how to do it. Hold on one sec. Alright, once it's loaded up, it'll come up to that one, the Jet Ion. So you want to click on it, enter the password that's in the manual. 1, 2. It should be connecting. Alright. And let's see if I got it. And alright, let's see. If I can pull it one more time, I'll be right back. Alright, so once you have it on the that Jet Ion, when it pops up on your Wi-Fi, just click on it and come back to your app, and this is what it looks like. You guys can see it. Scanning table. There's the app. And then once you go and like, oh, that's my veins. Oh, that's pretty trippy. It's pretty good quality. So once you dig it through, like your car or something, try to find something underneath your couch. This would be a perfect gift for anybody. Really cool. Wi-Fi, iOS, Android. Look at that camera though. It is really clear, guys. So, like I said, I'm using the Galaxy 8 Plus on this one, and I'm recording up to 10 Plus. So this is 8 Plus right here. And look how clear that is. There's a little lights, the HD lights. So sweet. Endoscope. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Links will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a great one, and see ya.